Hi, I'm Tiffany Lanier, and I'm the founder and coordinator of SunHorse Weddings. We know that most clients have either never been to Isla Mujeres or don't know much about it, so we are here to walk you through the process. We're different because we live here. We've done over 400 weddings. With all of our experience, you get the private wedding you're looking for, and you get the insider track. Once you tell us what your vision is, we're going to create that. Having your wedding in Isla Mujeres, it's really about creating an experience for your guests. The island has a plethora of restaurants, hotels, clubs, things to do, and it's not Cancun, it's not Playa del Carmen. It's a really, really wonderful community to be in. With us, you get a whole team. We're local experts, so we help you set up the perfect wedding weekend, and your guests are really going to love it. On your wedding weekend, we'll have your rehearsal, we'll have a welcome dinner. Most of the time, we'll do a golf cart scavenger hunt that your guests will have so much fun exploring the island. We have lots of volunteer activities if you'd like to include your guests in those kind of things. We have world-class diving, snorkeling, whale shark tours during the summer months. We do all of it, and it's no extra cost for you. We've set up either an Eventbrite or we have an activities page that people can sign up and pay for themselves and have an amazing experience here in Isla Mujeres. Every wedding is unique. We walk you through it every step of the way. We always have great food, we always have excellent drinks, and we always have an amazing party. So with SunHorse Weddings, you're going to have the unique wedding that you want, and all of your guests at the end of the day, it's going to be #BestWeddingEver.